Hello, 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 kindred family. It's me. My name is Cassandra Lee.
I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love's supposed to feel like.
Hi, kindred fam. Welcome. This is my beautiful mother, and we're going to be doing a review on Debut Hair. So this is their 613 wig that they're advertising on their website. It's $29.90. With tax and everything applied, it came to $30.30 for our order. We did order it in the beginning of January, and it did come in the end of January, like on the 30th. So it did take some time to get to us, but that's fine. This is a little bit too blonde for my mom. She still does like it, but she does want to color it a little bit lighter, so it's like a platinum blonde. I think that would look a lot more classy and sophisticated for the look that she's trying to go for. It's really manageable. We have some mousse in the hair, so that way she has the spikes. Does you feel like it's light? It's
very light. It's
like it's not
cumbersome. It's not tight on my head.
It's manageable.
It's very manageable. I feel like I can, put some mousse in it and just do what I want to do, and and call it a day. So I'm very excited about that. The clips are not, I don't have it clipped in.
Right, it's not
basically just sitting on my head, and it's not tight.
It's not tight. Right, none of that. We just plopped it on her head, did a little bit of the baby hairs, and styled it a little bit and called it a day. So it's really quick if you are needing to like do something, run an errand or something. This is really something that you can just plop on your head and go.
Plop on there and go. It's and for the money.
Right.
What, 29? Did we say 29?
It's $29.90.
$29.90.
So that's really nice. No smells out with unboxing the hair. They advertise on their website. This is what the wig cap looks like. It has a deep side part. But how do you feel about it right now?
I like it. I feel like it could be just a little bit thicker. I would like, especially up in here. But it does seem easy to work with. I do like that. I kind of would have preferred like not a part so that you could kind of make your own part, but I mean, it was $29, so it's not really, you get what you get.
Right.
And so I'm happy with the price for sure. It is human hair. I like that.
It is 100% human hair.
Especially at that price, because I've gotten wigs that they say it's human and it's just awful. So for the price, it's a good buy.
Right. No smells out with unboxing the hair. So, and I think it would be really nice. There's reviews of other people who actually dyed the hair, so I think it will take really well with dyeing the hair. Yeah, if you guys are interested in where to receive this hair, where to buy this hair, the link will be down below. If you guys are interested in following me on my YouTube journey, make sure you hit the bell notification. You'll be notified every time I upload a video. Also, remember to share and subscribe, comment and like, and have a beautiful day.
Bye.
Bye guys. Stay beautiful, stay glorious, stay prosperous.
Just plopped on there. Plop,
Plop it on.